Hey, hello everyone. Let's see how to work with variables in JavaScript. I already opened VS Code. Click on new file. Create a new file named test table.js. Make sure to create the file with .js extension. Open the file. Let me add a command variable. So basically, in simple words, variable is used to store data. That's it. JavaScript, we can work with variable using three keywords. First one is var, next one is let, and the last one is constant C1ST. Let's see each of these one by one. Now let me create a variable var a. This is called variable initialization. I just initialized a variable named a. Let me assign a value to this variable. A is equal to 10. I initialized a variable. I want to see this in the output for the console.log a. Let me click on this run button. Initialized variable is showing in the output. So this run code button is coming just because of this extension code runner. This will come very handy while executing our JavaScript files instead of using live runner or terminal. Now click on clear output and close the output. Now let me add one more variable. Here let me initialize and assign the value at the same time in the single line. Right? Console.log. Let me change the value to differentiate 20. We run it. Okay, 10 20. Clear the output, close the output. Now let me do one more thing like variable c is equal to. Now let me assign a string. C is equal to test and comma t is equal to. Let me assign a boolean now. True. Okay, print the same. C comma t. So here what we did is initially we assigned a integer value. Now we assigned a string value and also a boolean value to the variable. Let's see the output. 10 20 test true. Looks good. Now let's see about let keyword. Let me delete this. I'm gonna use let keyword now. Let a is equal to 10. Let b is equal to test. Let c is equal to, that's a boolean. Okay, console.log a comma b comma c. Let's see the same in the output. Okay, 10 is false. All three variables came in the output. Now let me add one more variable. Let x. Okay, let me print the same console.log x. Let's see the output. Now you can see the output is undefined. Why it is coming means just because of we just initialized this x variable using let keyword, but we did not assign a value. That's why it's showing it as undefined. Okay, if you assign a value, it will come. Say let x is equal to, let's assign a boolean true. Now if you see the output, I can see the output, right? So this is how you have to use a let variable. Basically where and let having the same purpose, but as per latest ES6 standards, we are not using var much. It is the best approach to use. I mean, recommended approach to use is let keyword only. Okay, let's see constant also. Okay, constant, yeah, C1ST. Okay, I just initialized a constant variable, but it will show an error. Okay, this is a duplicate. Okay, constant t. Right now, this will also will show a variable because you can see, right, constant declaration must be initialized. You cannot because constant, it's a constant value, right? Without a value, constant will not work. So constant is equal to 3.14. So why will you write? Let's see the output console.log. Okay. Just remember, constants are needs to be initialized. Like you cannot constants needs to be initialized and should be assigned with a value. Then only it will work. So hope you understand how to use var, let, and const keywords. These are the variables used to store data. That's very simple. Make sure to use this extension code runner. It's very handy. Yeah, I think this is good. They are good with variables. Thanks.